Hey guys, what's up? This is Luis Urbieta, El Apostol 921 here. Today we're going to be showing you guys another product review. This is an Adventure Force generic garbage truck. Let me put it right here. I know it may look a little big, but it's obviously smaller. So we're gonna take a look at this son of the apostolito here. Sorry for my finger. Let me put this. Now, up front, you do have your headlights here. Now, these don't function up here. That's okay. You do have your grills there. Right here, you can see right here, the grills right here have a nice detail. You can see they're not perforated or anything, and you can see right there the other grills right there. Looks nice. You can see the interior right there with orange seats, and then you can see up here you have your little air horns. Now, I am surprised that this truck has no clearance lights up here. But, you know, it's not based on a real truck. But you can see right here the button. I take it back. It does have clearance lights right here. Does have clearance lights right here. Now, you do have right here your area here, your hopper door does open. You can see right there. I thought it didn't come with a bin right here. Thought it didn't come with a bin, but check out this mini bin. With it's orange. You can see right here. I had it on in my pocket a little bit. Now it does hook on to these 3 notches. I'd show it to you guys, but it takes 2 hands, and I have to set down the phone. I'm gonna wait till I get to Escondido, California. Now, you do have these fake looking wheels, which I'm not in love with them. I wish Adventure Force added actual working wheels right here. But here you can see right here your little landing legs, which I think it's not realistic, but look at the top. A lot of detail there. Now, you can see here the back does open up. I got stuff in there. I don't want it to fall down. Now, the way the arm works right here. So the way the arm works is right like that, and then the doors open, and then you could see the interior right there. Your steering wheel right here. Now let's close them. You could hear the fireworks, and it is equipped with lights and sounds. You can see let's put this in here. And then there it is. So there you guys have it, guys. There you guys have it. The Adventure Force recycling truck with lights and sounds does roll on a flat surface. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. This way I can know when new videos pop. And hope you guys have a great 4th of July. I appreciate it. And thank you to all of you for watching. And USA lives on! Woo!